Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angela here, and today's video I'm going to cook chicken gizzard. Now, in my ingredients I have garlic and ginger, onions, Royco cubes, chicken gizzard, salt, cooking oil, dhania, that is parsley, tomatoes, and hoho. Now I'm going to eat cooking oil. Then I'm going to cook my chicken gizzard. I'm just going to heat the oil with a just medium heat. Then I will add the onions. I cook just for 5 minutes. Then from there I add chicken gizzard. Then garlic and ginger, tomatoes, salt, and dhania. Now let's cook the kitunguu. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share to your friends. Kindly support me. So as I wait for onions to get ready, I'm going to cut my tomatoes into cubes. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share to your friends. Yeah. And try this recipe. Try to cook and tell me how I cook my gizzard, my chicken gizzard. Please guys, and click the notification bell so that when I upload any video, you will be notified anytime. Kindly, if you are new here, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. my YouTube channel, Angela Niva. I'm going to cook these onions until they are golden brown. And before that, I'm going to add ginger and garlic. So I'm going to cook together. Mix them together. Guys, just comment there down and tell me how I cook. I need your comments and likes. Please like, comment, share to your friends. You can also try this recipe. It is very easy. No need of using a lot of spices. There are some people who don't like spices. So you just use the garlic and ginger if you want your chicken gizzard to taste yummy and delicious. So I'm not going to use a lot of spices. I'll just use Royco cubes to add flavor. As you can see, the onions is getting golden brown. Guys, like, comment, share. Share to your friends and family. This is how I cook my chicken gizzard. So, this is onion and ginger garlic together. I've already mixed them. So they are ready. I'm going to add chicken gizzard. Then, nikoroge. Changanya na kitunguu na hizo ginger na garlic. Guys, please subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends and family. Now, after that, I'm going to add tomatoes. These are the tomatoes, so I'm going to add to chicken gizzard. I mix them. Then after mix them, I'm going to leave it for just 10 minutes so that I can cook these tomatoes until they are broken down. So let's leave these tomatoes to break down. Yeah. Guys, as you can see, the tomatoes have already broken down. I'm going to add and you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please kindly support me. Support Angela Niva there, and I will appreciate. Comment, like, yeah. Please, if you are new here into my YouTube channel, kindly support me by subscribing. Click the notification bell so that when I upload any video, you will be notified anytime. We are still growing. We are just 52 subscribers. Aki mtu tu atoke tu mahali tu mwenye tu sijui tu subscribe tu. I will be very happy. Now let's add. We are almost done. Let's just cook it for 5 minutes. Guys, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Guys, this is how I cook my gizzard, my chicken gizzard. Comment there down. Tell me how I cook. Rate my cooking skills. And don't forget to click that notification bell, please, my friends. Now let's prepare parsley, that is dhania. Guys, this is your girl Angela here, cooking chicken gizzard. This is how I cook my chicken gizzard. I'm waiting for your comments. Rate my cooking skills. Now let's test salt. Bado kidogo. Then I'm going to add Rico cubes. This is what I use as my spices. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's sprinkle this Rico cubes. Guys, please support me. Kindly subscribe. Now, the last one. It's dhania. That is parsley. I'm going to garnish my chicken gizzard. Guys, I'm done now with my video. As you can see, I'm done cooking my chicken gizzard. This is my results. Now let's taste it. You have to taste it. You see how we cook. Guys, these are the results. This is how I cook my chicken gizzard. Now these are the results. Now they are very delicious. Yummy, yummy. Let me taste. Guys, you don't know. Like, comment, share it with your friends and families. And comment there down and let me know my cooking skills. They are very delicious, by the way. Go and try this recipe. Just use dhania, chicken gizzard or tomatoes, oil, salt, and Royco cubes. And don't forget to add ginger and garlic. Now, that's the end of my video. Now let's meet in the next video. Bye! Nawapenda sana.